Alright, you guys, today we are mounting this 4.5 by 6.5 awning onto the X5, and we are going to just attach those to our crossbars. And I've already went and got the proper hardware, slide right into the channel, and I've already gone ahead and located where I wanted to mount it, attached the brackets, and I've gone ahead and painted the aluminum rail and the brackets and everything black, just to keep a cleaner look once it's all together. So yeah, it should be pretty simple. Just set this guy up, put all 4 holes on the 2 brackets, and yeah. And that's it.